the student to get his kit set up.
Yes, absolutely fine. It's not a problem. Don't worry about it. Are you coming over toward Jones with it as well?
Yes, I was going to do that. Are you going to go round the M25 or the more direct route involving little windy roads?
I'm trying to think where I'm in. I'd probably go through Bracknell.
Yeah.
And M4, then up.
That way.
404 that
Yes.
way. That's probably where I'll go rather than M24.
Yeah.
It's like 3, 2, 1, go! Because I'll winch her on, and then it'll just winch off, and then at the bottom, they'll do what they want, push it in place.
Here we go. Here's the chain and the U-shackle. That goes on there, like that, and there's a big nut. Tighten it up like that. That's one end done, and here's the other end. The other end is much straightforward. It's just a big hook which goes in the
Take your head off with that snap, you know that, don't you? That's why we were strong the other day.
You're going down the back axle. I see that. Stop the doors flapping around.
It's amazing the power of hydraulics. I've always been impressed by the sheer force that they can apply when you compare it with your arm or your muscles. It dwindles into insignificance, really. And that's it. It went click.